Welcome to Waters Chemical Synthesis Manufacturing in Taunton, Massachusetts. In this short video, we will share with you some of the key aspects that make Waters consumable products the right choice for your chromatographic and sample preparation requirements. Our sister plant in Wexford, Ireland produces hundreds of thousands of LC columns and millions of sample preparation devices, but the key component, the separations media, is synthesized here in our dedicated state-of-the-art chemical manufacturing facility. We introduced micro-Bondipack C18 columns back in 1973, the industry's first reproducible high-performance LC column. This achievement enabled the development of the HPLC market as we know it today. Since that time, we have greatly evolved both our technology and organization, permitting the launch of many innovative and revolutionary products. Some you may be familiar with, such as Symmetry, Xterra, Oasis, Sunfire, Atlantis, Acuity, X-Bridge, and X-Select. Over time, we learned that the base silica particle was key to product reproducibility, and that in order to meet the chromatographic performance and reproducibility expectations of today's scientists, a fundamentally different approach to manufacturing control was required. It is for this reason that in 1992, Waters made a conscious decision to manufacture our own chromatographic particles, starting with reagent-grade raw materials through to the manufacture of the silica or hybrid particles to pore enlargement to ligand bonding, with rigorous QC testing each step along the way. This approach, in conjunction with the significant investments in our people, technology, and infrastructure, allows us to achieve exceptional quality, chromatographic performance, and batch-to-batch repeatability over the product lifetime. By its nature, the manufacture of chromatographic media is a complex chemical process requiring strict control of many critical independent variables. Investment in state-of-the-art chemical process equipment, hardware, and computerized process control technology allows us to strictly control these variables. But more importantly, by digitally capturing key data and continuously monitoring it over time, we have the level of process knowledge and control essential to consistently produce high-quality products. There are over 225 manufacturing processes that produce approximately 500 bulk material part numbers that are carried out in this facility. This includes everything from our flagship sub-2 micron acuity products to some of our legacy 100 micron irregular silicas. Consequently, this large number and range of bulk materials produced in our Taunton facility requires flexibility and capacity capabilities for a continued secure supply. To this end, a significant investment in our infrastructure has allowed us to create duplicate reactor suites comprised of reactors from the 7 to 500 gallon scale. This split design not only allows for ample capacity to manufacture all of our silica, hybrid silica, and polymeric products, but also provides redundancy in 2 isolated suites to mitigate the risk associated with the plant ever going offline. The Quality Control Laboratory plays a very important role in Waters' mission to achieve superior customer satisfaction. We ensure that all of our QC staff understands our customers' expectations and requirements. And while there are many facets to QC, there is special focus on batch-to-batch reproducibility, traceability, results accuracy and repeatability, data review, and compliance to procedures and quality systems. Our QC lab employs highly skilled technicians and chemists working on 3 shifts to afford continuous support and control of all manufacturing processes. QC uses a variety of instruments to provide complete, comprehensive testing of every manufacturing step, starting with raw materials, continuing through intermediates, all the way to final bulk material. This approach supports our critical goal of full process control and traceability, rendering extensive characterization of the unbonded and bonded particle, and producing numerous chromatographic response factors which are extremely important to you, our customer. For example, the synthesis of Acuity C18 materials requires 43 quality control tests, which render 337 essential response factors. These tests involve using a wide variety of analytical capabilities and technologies for in-process chemical testing. These tests occur during the particle formation steps and the conversion of unbonded particles to final product. For final product reproducibility and control of the USP tailing factor, testing incoming raw materials for purity and metal content is essential. During the formation of the particle substrate, the water content, pore volume, surface area, and percent carbon are some of the key components we control to ensure retentivity. Particle size consistency and overall morphology impact chromatographic column efficiency and back pressure. For this reason, they are also tightly controlled by our processes. A well-designed series of chromatographic tests for the final product ensures good batch-to-batch reproducibility, efficiency, stability, and selectivity. Analysis and trending of these response factors contribute significantly to our knowledge regarding the impact of material attributes and process parameters on the product's final quality. For this purpose, we use Water's scientific data management system known as New Genesis SDMS and Empower Database. With these tools, we electronically capture raw data and reports from all of the QC analytical technologies, as well as Water's Alliance and Acuity UPLC instruments. Using all of this assembled data, we compile complete batch records and comprehensive certificates of analysis. This process presents an auditable trail and serves as evidence of our daily commitment to quality. As you might expect from a major supplier to regulated laboratories, a formal quality management system is in place, which ties the whole operation together. Our centrally managed database includes detailed documentation, such as management of change and customer complaint reviews, while all of our process documentation has electronic revision tracking. At Waters, we promote a culture of complete quality. Our passion for our work ensures the highest quality chromatographic materials. Owning and controlling every step of the manufacturing process means that we can guarantee consistent product performance batch to batch, month to month, and year to year, ensuring that any chromatographic method developed today will continue to work for the lifetime of the product it supports. We firmly believe that the attention to quality that we have in our facilities will be reflected in the product performance that you see in your laboratories, and we look forward to becoming or continuing to be your partner in separation science. Waters, the science of what's possible.